Let me tell you what I did. Let me just give me time. Don't cut me off. No.
It's not me. He said yes.
No. When I was vice president, I took a tour to Anambra State during the administration of Governor Mbadi Niju. I found that the public schools were closed for 2 years. I came back and met the president. I said, Mr. President, this governor will never be allowed to go back. He said, why? I said, I found all the public schools in Anambra State overtaken by weeds. For 2 years, they were not open. Believe me, I made sure Mbadi Niju never went back.
Okay.
This is, let me tell you, this is how I feel about education. You see? But for that education, I will not be what I am today. I come from very poor.
Mun yarda da PDP a ƙasata.
Zo mu bi jam'iyyar talakawa.
Rigakafin yunwa a ƙasata, a teku jagoran talakawa.
Mun yarda da PDP a ƙasata.
Zo mu bi jam'iyyar talakawa.
Wanda ya daule ma ya ji sanyi, wanda ya dau maja ya ji zafi.
Mun yarda da PDP a ƙasata.
Zo mu bi jam'iyyar talakawa.
Wanda ya daule ma ya ji daɗi, wanda ya hau maja ya ji haushi.
Mun yarda da PDP a ƙasata.
Mu shige ne ba mu ji daɗi.
Wanda ya daule